Ang comment sa comment section natin regarding Cbank, mag-deposit ba sis? Pwede naman through GCash or any bank slash e-wallet. Pag magde-deposit po kayo papunta sa Cbank, you can use GCash, you can even use PayMaya, and you can use your bank. As long as nandun po si Cbank, mata-transfer po yan. And normally, for me, based on my experience po, kapag po nag-transfer ka using your GCash, 15 pesos po yung charge. Kapag po, for example, kay BPI, for example, no, from BPI to Cbank, 10 pesos. Tapos, based on my experience, kapag po kay BDO to other bank, pupunta kay Cbank, for example, it will cost you 10 pesos dun po sa BDO online po, ha? Doon po sa mga online banking. And kapag naman po, for example, i-share ko na rin po, pag po from CIMB, papunta po kay Cbank, that is free po, no charge. Usually, ganun po yung ginagawa ko. Kay CIMB, papunta po kay Cbank is free po yung charge. Wala po siyang charge. I hope this video helps you. Follow for more.